Right, hello students. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter than normal just because a lot of the things that we are doing this week are quite similar to what we did last week. So this week the theme is sci-fi. So sci-fi means science fiction. And I provided a definition for you in Google Classroom, and I will also insert it here. So science fiction is kind of like two words put together. And science is the knowledge about the natural world that is based on facts learned through experiments and observation. And fiction is writing that tells a story made up from the writer's imagination. So when you put the two together, you have science fiction, sci-fi for short. And it's a made-up story with scientific elements in it. So for example, some sci-fi stories would be futuristic or apocalyptic, anything related to science or stuff like that. So we're reading a story this week about aliens, which is kind of exciting. Not kind of, I think it's very exciting. And the story is called My First Alien Sighting. And you guys will listen to me read that after you're finished watching this video. You'll listen to me read that story, and then you will answer the comprehension questions that I provided for you. You can find the link to that in your Google Classroom. I'll probably also link it in that YouTube video. So that's your plan for today. This week we're going to be doing another plot diagram just like last week. So if you are still a little unfamiliar with plot diagrams, in last week's video I explain it. And then we're going to be writing our own short stories. Don't worry, you don't have to write a lot, but it will be a minimum of 2 paragraphs this week instead of just 1. And then lastly, you are going to be drawing some stuff, which I'm excited about, and then you'll be sharing that on Flipgrid. And then on Friday, just like last week, you will complete 1 entry for your stay-home journal, and then you will have the rest of that day to catch up on whatever you didn't finish the rest of the week. If you finished everything, then you rock. So that's the plan. Couple reminders. I do look at every single one of your assignments as we are still in school. You need to treat online school like it is just as important as regular school. So just because we aren't in the building together does not mean that you get to slack off on your work. If you're having an issue completing your assignments, please just contact me and tell me what's going on. The code word for today is aliens. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.